Hello, and a heartfelt welcome to all our mindful mates out there. In today's journey, we're venturing into a realm filled with potential for renewal and love. Have you ever felt like a chapter in your love story was closed too soon? Do you hold on to the belief that the final page has yet to be written? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Our adventure today is about turning the page back to love, to rekindle and reignite the flame that once burned brightly. Keep watching, because towards the end, we'll unveil a secret strategy so powerful, it might just be the key you've been searching for to unlock a new chapter with your loved one. And that's not all. There's a special gift waiting just for you, a token to guide you on this path of heartfelt reunion. Let's embark on this transformative journey together, right here on Mindful Mates. Breakups can be tough, but sometimes they're just a pit stop on the journey of love. Whether it was a misunderstanding, timing, or growth that pulled you apart, the flame can be reignited. We'll guide you through 7 proven strategies to win him back, derived from the wisdom of the Ex-Back Handbook. Remember, the journey to rekindling love is nuanced, requiring more than just intent. It demands strategy, understanding, and a touch of grace. And don't forget, for a more in-depth guide, the link to claim your free ebook, The Ex-Back Handbook, is waiting in the description below. It's packed with insights and strategies to not only win him back, but keep him for good. Embark on the journey of renewal with the first, and perhaps most counterintuitive step, embracing a period of no contact. This phase is not just about silence. It's a transformative period where you clear the canvas of past issues and rediscover your passions. Take Sarah's story, for example. Post-breakup, she returned to her love for painting, channeling her emotions into vibrant art. This absence made Mark, her partner, keenly feel the void of her laughter and energy. This period is not about distance, but growth, allowing both parties to miss and appreciate the essence of their connection. It's a powerful step towards reigniting interest and demonstrating that sometimes a step apart is a step closer to reconnection. Secondly, consider the impact of personal growth and confidence. This strategy is fundamentally about self-investment, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just for your ex, but for you. Lisa's journey into dance is a prime example. It wasn't just about learning steps, but about building confidence through each movement, which in turn reignited Mark's attention. Her newfound confidence and joy in life showcased a thriving independence that was impossible to ignore. This approach sends a clear message. Your strength and growth are magnetic, capable of drawing your ex back, not just by what you've achieved, but by who you've become. Thirdly, reconnect gradually. After a meaningful period of self-reflection and growth, the moment arrives to gently re-enter his world. But how? Begin with light, casual contact. Think of it as dipping your toes into the water, rather than diving in headfirst. A simple message about a mutual interest, or a funny meme that you both would appreciate, can break the ice without the weight of past emotions. Imagine Emma, who after weeks of no contact, sends Alex a picture of their favorite coffee shop's new seasonal drink. A small but significant reminder of the mornings they used to spend together. It's subtle, yet it opens a door, not to the past, but to the possibility of a new beginning. This approach is about showcasing the vibrant, evolved you. It's not just about rekindling an old flame, but igniting a new one, fueled by curiosity and interest in the person you've become. Fourthly, use shared memories. Memories are the threads that connect our past to our present. They're also a bridge to rekindling lost connections. In navigating the delicate art of winning him back, these shared memories can be your ally. But the key here is subtlety. A casual mention of a song that was playing during a memorable date or a photo from a trip you took together can evoke a powerful emotional response. Consider the story of Lucas and Mia. During a casual conversation, Mia mentioned the anniversary of their unforgettable road trip to the coast, evoking a shared nostalgia that reminded Lucas of their deep bond and the joy they found in each other's company. This strategy is not about living in the past, but about reminding him of the unique, irreplaceable moments you shared. It's about showing him that what you had, and can have again, is worth fighting for. Fifth strategy, stay positive and fun. In every interaction, let your light shine bright. Keep the atmosphere uplifting, focusing on laughter and joy rather than the shadows of past disagreements. This is about forging new, joyful memories that serve as a beacon of what the future could hold. Picture Jake and Hannah, who found themselves at a local trivia night, laughing over inside jokes and competing with a playful spirit. It was moments like these that reminded them of the effortless joy they shared. By focusing on positive experiences, you're not just avoiding the pitfalls of past conversations. You're building a foundation of happiness that makes the thought of being apart unimaginable. Sixth strategy, be the ungettable. There's an undeniable allure in the slightly out of reach, a spark that ignites the chase. Embrace a sense of mystery around your newfound growth and independence. This isn't about playing hard to get in the old-fashioned sense. It's about demonstrating your value and the enriching life you lead. Emma, for instance, shared snapshots of her adventures and new hobbies on social media. Not directly with Max, but in a way he couldn't help but notice. It stirred a sense of intrigue, a realization of the dynamic, multifaceted woman she was, compelling him to want to be part of her world again. This strategy is about balance, being open yet intriguing, present yet slightly elusive, showing him that you're a prize worth pursuing. Seventh strategy, be emotional honesty. The journey of reconciliation reaches a pivotal moment with the step of emotional honesty. This is where you share your heart, but with a light touch, free of the pressures of the past. It's about expressing your hopes for a future together that's rooted in mutual growth, understanding, and resilience. Imagine Leah, who chose a quiet, intimate moment to share with Ryan her reflections on their time apart and her optimism about what they could build together. It was honest, heartfelt, and devoid of ultimatums or pressure. This kind of vulnerability can be the key that unlocks a deeper connection, paving the way for a relationship that's stronger and more profound than ever before. Hold your breath as we edge closer to unveiling the cornerstone strategy, the secret sauce to not only rekindle an old flame, but to forge a bond that withstands the test of time. But let's not rush. There's a treasure trove of wisdom waiting for you in the X-Back Handbook. This guide is more than just a book. It's your roadmap to navigating the intricate dance of reconnection. Within its pages lies a wealth of deeper insights, advanced strategies, and tailored advice, designed to empower you to not only win back the heart of your beloved, but to cultivate a relationship that's more fulfilling, enduring, and resilient than ever before. Intrigued? Click the link in the description below to secure your free copy today and embark on your journey towards love that truly lasts. The ultimate strategy is building a new foundation. This is about creating a fresh start, focusing on trust, communication, and respect. This pivotal strategy transcends mere reconciliation. It's about charting a new course, where the love you rekindle is not a mere rehash of the past, but a fresh start. Imagine constructing a home, not on the shaky ground of past mistakes, but on the solid rock of trust, open communication, and unwavering mutual respect. It's in this nurturing environment that love flourishes anew, transforming a simple reunion into a partnership for life. This isn't just the key to getting back together, it's the blueprint for a future filled with love, understanding, and joy. A future where every challenge faced together makes your bond unbreakable. With these strategies and the X-Back Handbook, you're ready to rekindle and strengthen your love. Your story can have its happy ending. Subscribe, and share for more insights. Did any of these strategies resonate with you or spark an idea? What's your next step in love? Share in the comments. Thank you for watching.